Today's video is going to be a quick short tutorial on do-it-yourself homemade shoe cleaner. Just got back from a trail run with Zigzaggin' Zachmeister, also known as Zacky Wacky. Shout out to Baby Soup Sarah on that one. What we're going to do is make this concoction. This Halloween's coming up, this concoction cauldron. This is one I just got from Amazon. Not tested on animals. There are no animals in this one, so cruelty free. But when you run out of your shoe cleaner, especially when you're running a lot, just do like a quick, there's multiple ways to make your own, and this is a brush I also got with the package on online, and it's just it's a scrub brush, not made with horse hair. This is I think it's like some sort of plant fiber, and I can't remember which one, but there are a lot of brushes like this online. So yeah, this is also vegan, so this is a plant fiber brush. But when you run out of it, you can use a mixture of a little bit of vinegar and water that you put in here, or you could do vinegar with baking soda that you would put in a bottle to spray on, or I like to put a little bit of plant-based, non-tested on animal dishwashing soap. I put a little bit of this in here. This is full, so I won't be putting it in here, so use your imagination. Just pour a little bit of dish soap, a little bit of baking soda and vinegar, probably about a quart or so, and then the rest up with water. You really don't need that much to clean it, and you just spray on. These alpha flyers are going to get retired soon. It's already coming off. You could already see the dirt just coming right off. These have over 225 miles on them. They're going to be getting retired soon, and but I've loved these. As you can see, getting the creases in here. Look at the dirt just coming right off there. Stuff works wonders. We'll get it a little wet. Scrub a little. Let's do one little part. I'm not even going that hard. I'm not even scrubbing that vigorously. After just a few seconds, let's just put this on flat. Already looks way better. I'm gonna let it dry out on the sun today. Kind of fun talking Zone 2 recovery run / trail run with Zach today, and after my implementing my long runs back into my training routine yesterday, I did Dry Creek Road. I'll post that as well. 18.3 miles, so there you have it. Just gonna get some of these work shoes and running shoes cleaned up today. The Nike Alpha Flies, Asics Nova Blast 3, Hoka Speedgoat 5 are all running shoes, and then these three pairs are work shoes. So it's the Magic Speed, Clifton 8s, and Ultra Timp. I think it was like the Ultra Timp 7. Are work shoes. I'm gonna give it a little cleaning too, and then let soak or dry out on the sun. But there you have it. After you're done with this and you don't want to keep ordering them and refilling like these little plastic bottles, just make your own at home. It's the most cost effective. It's really easy. Buy a cheap organic vinegar and just put a little bit of maybe dish soap in there, but you can really just use water and vinegar. It works wonders. So with all the running and all the adventuring, getting down and dirty, you're gonna want to stay on top of cleaning the dirt and grime and sweat out of your shoes. Oh, now that I'm cleaning these shoes, I can get a close-up of what's going on here. Another thing about getting intimate with the plethora of shoes you're running in. I used these on my long run yesterday, and it sounded like the back was flapping loose. This is actually coming off. So, look. Literally coming apart. Yeah. 225.1 miles. That might do one more run in these, like a small run, and it's retiring time. It's bursting out. It's really sad because these things have been amazing. I'll have to do a quick review on these. Well, now that I have all of those shoes clean, very gratifying, very satisfying. So many clean, squeaky clean shoes ready to go.
These just needed to be cleaned first. More do need to be cleaned.
Now, after all that, I am a bit low on in the spray pump for cleaning solution, so I will show you how simple it is just to pour it in. Let's do, it's probably down to like 30%. I'm just gonna pour a little bit of that in there, not very much. It's really soapy. Baking soda or baking powder, not too much. Put this spout in here. Just some organic vinegar. And just fill it up. Oh, there it goes. Some of that's just soap coming out. Don't want soap mildew residue underneath. Clean that off. Spray this down a little bit. Clean my hands of the filth, and it's that easy. Now you have a full thing of shoe cleaner. All cheap, easy, simple ingredients. And just let these dry out on the sun.